Welcome to Truth and Travel. Today, let's talk about a crisis that rolls in like clockwork every summer, fueled by engine revs and check Tigo, and pure unfiltered entitlement. Welcome to Pattaya, or rather, what's left of it when thousands of college-age tourists from Gulf nations, mostly Kuwait, descend on this Thai beach town every July and August. Every year between July and early September, Pattaya locals brace themselves for what the Pattaya news calls a recurring issue. Thousands, yes, thousands of Kuwaiti students on their summer break fly in, rent out entire streets of scooters and sports bikes, and proceed to wage war on peace, quiet, and traffic laws. And the local residents, they're just trying to get to work, to school, or God forbid cross the road without getting hit by a motorbike ridden by an 18-year-old who thinks he's the next Fast and Furious extra. But here's the kicker, they don't just ride like maniacs, they ride illegally. No helmets, no licenses, no registration. No insurance, not even the basic paperwork to legally drive in Thailand. It's like the rules of the road were an optional side quest. Let me paint you a scene. A group of students walks into a Pattaya scooter rental shop. None of them have an international driver's license. Most of them probably don't even have one back home. They don't care. The shop owner, lured by quick cash, hands over the keys, no questions asked. This isn't just annoying, it's dangerous. There have been accidents, real, serious, sometimes fatal ones. And these are unisolated incidents. This has been happening for years. Let's make one thing crystal clear, Pattaya is a real city. People live here, work here, raise families here. It's not your Instagram backdrop. It's not your TikTok racetrack. And it sure as hell isn't a lawless playground where the rules don't apply just because you're on a break from university. And every time the police try to enforce the law, cue the drama, suddenly everyone's confused, everyone's innocent, and no one speaks English anymore. Let's flip the script. Imagine a bunch of Thai teenagers showed up in your hometown, rented illegal bikes, blasted loud music at midnight. Would you roll out the red carpet? The loud engine revving is not just occasional. It's constant, day and night, up and down the same roads. What are you even trying to prove? That your rented scooter has an engine? We believe you. You're not impressing anyone. The girls you're trying to attract, they're cringing. The locals you're trying to intimidate, they're exhausted. And the tourists who came here for a relaxing beach vacation, they're booking flights to Krabi as we speak. But wait, there's more. When these tourists aren't busy violating traffic laws, they're busy starting fights, brawls with other tourists, altercations with bar staff, confrontations with hotel employees, like a drama series with no plot. Just episode after episode of public humiliation. This is not about culture, it's about character. You're not representing your country, you're misrepresenting it. Pattaya is not your property. Locals talk, expats talk, tourism authorities notice. You're not anonymous, you're just one viral video away from becoming the next cautionary tale. Wear a helmet, it's not optional. Get a valid license, respect traffic rules. You're not in a video game, don't harass people. It's not charming, it's criminal. You're not immune to consequences, no matter how rich your dad is. You don't deserve Thailand if you can't respect it. Pattaya is not your backyard, it's not your test track. And it's definitely not your party island to destroy. This was Truth and Travel, where we don't sugarcoat the rot in the tourism industry. We expose it, and if you're offended, maybe you're the problem. See you in the next one, unless you're speeding the wrong way down Beach Road on a scooter with no helmet. In that case, you might want to pull over first.